One of the most haunting and beautiful sounds in the world is the Muslim call to prayer. What was the origin of that?
It is said that one of Muhammad's companions had a vision while he was asleep, where he heard this call for prayer, and then when he woke up, he went to Muhammad and told him about it, and he's made it into this ritual of using it to call for prayers every day, 5 times every day.
Then how was he chosen? Do you hold auditions?
There are auditions where they would listen to people, and the one who has the best voice would be given the position.
Allahu Akbar. How about that?
بيعمل اختبار.
الهاء لم تنطق.
You have to work on it, okay.